Hey, are you here for the behind-the-scenes tour? Come on in.
Welcome to 716 Realty Group, where all the real estate magic happens. The first person you'll see when you walk in the door is Danielle Crane, our office manager.
Hi. So this is where I handle all things admin, lead generation, client coordination, and just ensure everything is running smoothly. One of the biggest parts of my job is managing floor time, which enables our agents to assist walk-ins, handle office phone calls, and help people buy and sell all across Western New York. Of course, powered by Celsius Daily. Now over to our operations manager, Julia.
My job is making sure everything behind the scenes runs like a well-oiled machine. This is the home of systems, strategies, and making sure everybody stays sane. If there's a problem, it's getting solved right here, probably with a color-coded spreadsheet. Now over to our COO, Jeannie Moscarella. My focus here at 716 is on the big picture, making sure our agents have everything they need to succeed, from support to training and everything in between. We're always innovating and staying on top of market trends so you don't have to. My door is always open, ready to talk strategy, growth, or even the occasional pep talk.
Welcome to my office. I'm Gregory Strauss, the real estate broker and owner of 716 Realty Group. Here we help guide the company's strategic vision. We help agents grow their business. We help clients get top-notch customer service. The real estate market is ever expanding, and we're here to lead the way.
This is where all the action happens, our general office space. This is where our agents connect colleagues with clients, where deals get done, and where our team meetings take place. Support is always within reach, ideas are always flowing, and strategies always get made. Now time for the fun stuff. Welcome to our 716 merch store. Whether you're an agent or a client, we've got something for you. From branded hoodies to closing gifts, it's all about representing 716 in style.
And that's a wrap on our office tour. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate yourself, or looking to help others do the same, 716 Realty Group is here for you, and we've got your back. Let's rock and roll.